In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com project management. We'll walk through a simple, effective workflow so you can add tasks, set clear expectations, and mark work complete with confidence. Think of a Monday.com board as a living table for your project. Each row is a task, and each column holds important details like status and due date. The goal is to keep your board tidy, current, and easy to read at a glance. Start by opening your trial management board. This is your project's home base, where all related tasks live together. When the board loads, take a quick look at the columns so you know what you're working with. You'll typically see an item name column for the task title, a status column that shows progress, and a due date that keeps everyone aligned on timing. Knowing what each column represents will help you update tasks consistently. Next, click New Task. This adds a fresh item to the board. Give your task a short, action-oriented name so it's instantly clear what needs to happen. A concise title makes filtering and searching much easier later on, especially as your board grows. Now edit your task by setting the due date and the status. Choose a realistic due date that matches the actual work effort and any dependencies your team might have. Accurate dates help with planning and reduce last-minute rushes. Then set the status to reflect where the task stands right now. Common options include not started, working on it, stuck, or done. Pick the one that best matches reality today. Clear statuses turn your board into a reliable single source of truth, so anyone can scan the table and understand progress without asking for updates. When the work is finished, drag the task to complete to mark it done. Depending on your setup, that might mean dragging the item into a complete section or updating the status to complete. Either way, this final action closes the loop and cleans up your active workload. Keeping completed items clearly marked helps you report progress, celebrate wins, and focus attention on what's still open. As you get comfortable, you can enhance your board with widgets and additional elements that make the table more comprehensive and efficient. For example, visual summaries and dashboards can highlight timelines and workload, making patterns and bottlenecks easier to spot without sifting through rows. That's all you need to get started. Open your board, add a new task, set the due date and status, and mark it complete by dragging it to complete. Keep your updates frequent and honest, and your Monday.com board will stay clear, accurate, and